In this video, we will learn how to insert and link entire Excel sheet data into the Word. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some small table. First, open your Word document. Take a blank page. Here I am telling you two ways you can insert and link entire Excel data into the Word. So let's start. The first way, if you have a small data, you can just copy and paste in Word document. That's it. This is the first way. Just delete this table. Now is the second way. In Word document, click on the Insert tab. Click on the object. Here you can create from files and link to the files and browse your Excel file. Click on the desktop, SD. Select the file and click on OK. That's it. Here you can insert and link your data in Word document. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.